In FIFA 23, creating a player involves the player career mode where you can craft your own virtual soccer star and guide them through their career. Here's a concise guide. Access player career mode. Start FIFA 23 and choose career mode from the main menu. Then select player career. Create a player. Select create a player or use an existing player if you wish to modify an existing one. If you're creating a new player, you will have the option to choose their position, nationality and physical appearance. Personalize appearance. Customize your player's appearance, including facial features, hairstyle and body type. You can even add tattoos and accessories. Set player attributes. Distribute attribute points to define your player's skills. Focus on areas like dribbling, passing, shooting and defending based on your preferred position and play style. Choose playing style. Select your player's preferred playing style such as speedster for pace or box-to-box for all-around abilities. Set name and number. Enter your player's name and choose their jersey number. You can also choose a commentary name if available. Select traits. Customize your player's traits which influence their performance on the pitch. Traits can enhance skills like long shots, headers or tackling. Career mode settings. Configure the difficulty level and other career mode settings according to your preference. Begin career. Start your player's career by selecting a club or international team. As you progress, participate in matches, earn skill points and improve your player's attributes. Advance in your career. Navigate through the career mode, making decisions that impact your player's progression, transfers and interactions with teammates and managers. Set goals. Establish career objectives like winning trophies, becoming a top scorer, or reaching certain skill milestones. Train and develop. Attend training sessions to enhance your player's skills and attributes. Focus on drills that align with your playing style.